Big Brother 27 has officially come to an end, but the debates among fans are only just heating up, as many believe the final result did not reflect the true game that unfolded inside the house. Every season comes with twists, turns, betrayals, and blindsides, yet this year's ending left a significant portion of the fanbase convinced that the real winner slipped through the cracks of jury perception. While the confetti fell on Ashley Hollis, there is another player whose journey, strategy, and resilience arguably made them the most deserving winner of the season. The player in question didn't just survive Big Brother 27, they mastered it in ways that should have cemented them as the champion. Here's why this overlooked house guest should have been crowned the true victor. Throughout the summer, this player demonstrated an understanding of the game that went beyond simple competition wins. In a season dominated by shifting alliances and last-minute deals, they maintained a steady course and carefully built relationships that carried them deeper into the house. Unlike some competitors who relied solely on winning head of household or power of veto competitions to prove their worth, this house guest navigated the social landscape with finesse, knowing when to speak, when to listen, and when to make bold moves. Many fans on social media have pointed out that their social game was leagues ahead of others, which should have been a deciding factor in the jury's final votes. What makes their journey even more compelling is the adversity they faced along the way. Early in the season, they found themselves on the wrong side of the House majority, a dangerous position that could have spelled disaster. Yet through sheer determination and clever maneuvering, they managed to not only escape eviction but gradually shift the balance of power in their favor. They earned respect through resilience, proving that Big Brother is not only about strength or luck but also adaptability and perseverance. Their story became one of survival against the odds, and many fans rooted for them precisely because they embodied the underdog spirit that makes Big Brother so captivating to watch. When analyzing competition wins, the numbers might not look as flashy as Ashley Hollis's resume, but quality often matters more than quantity. This house guest secured victories when they mattered most, ensuring their safety in critical weeks and using their power strategically at her than recklessly. In contrast, some of Ashley's wins were seen as excessive displays of force that alienated jury members and raised questions about her ability to build lasting relationships. This overlooked finalist approached competitions with a balance of timing and intent, never wasting energy but always ready to rise when the stakes were highest. Another crucial element was their strategic awareness. Big Brother often comes down to who can read the room best, and this player had an uncanny ability to anticipate moves before they happened. From predicting blindsides to warning allies about betrayal, they showcased a deep understanding of the mechanics of the game. Even jury members acknowledged during finale night interviews that this house guest was often one step ahead, a compliment that should carry heavy weight in determining AW. Inner strategy is, after all, the heart of Big Brother, and few embodied it as completely as this player. One of the most frustrating aspects for fans is that jury management appears to have been the deciding factor that cost them the game. Despite building relationships throughout the season, some jurors seem to undervalue the subtler aspects of their gameplay, opting instead to reward Ashley's flashier wins and production-favored storyline. This is not the first time in Big Brother history that a deserving player fell short due to a jury swayed by emotion or spectacle, but it still stings when the player's contributions were so clearly essential to the season's drama and outcome. In fan circles, there has already been a surge of commentary labeling this player as the true winner of Big Brother 27. Reddit threads, Twitter discussions, and Facebook groups are flooded with passionate defenses of their gameplay. Many argue that their moves were overshadowed by the show's editing, which placed a stronger spotlight on Ashley and her dramatic path to the end. Yet live feed watchers know the truth. This finalist was working behind the scenes tirelessly, ensuring that alliances crumbled at just the right time and that the pieces always seemed to fall in their favor. They weren't just a passenger in the game, they were a driving force. It's also worth noting the level of integrity they displayed in a game where deception is the norm. While lying and manipulation are necessary tools in the Big Brother arsenal, this house guest managed to strike a balance between necessary deception and authentic relationships. That balance allowed them to avoid becoming a major target until very late in the game, proving their ability to walk the tightrope that has doomed so many others. Fans have celebrated their gameplay as honest yet effective, a rare combination that made them both likable and formidable. The finale may have crowned Ashley Hollis, but the bigger picture reveals a more complicated story. Winning Big Brother is not always about who sits in the final chair but about whose journey resonated most with the audience and whose strategy defined the season. In that respect, this player should be remembered as the one who truly deserved the title. The jury's decision may be final, but history has a way of rewriting outcomes in the hearts of fans, and already the narrative is shifting towards celebrating this player as the rightful champion of Big Brother 27. As the dust settles on another season, one lesson becomes clear: the Big Brother house is unpredictable, and sometimes the best player doesn't win. Yet their legacy will endure in the conversations, debates, and passionate defenses from viewers who recognize that greatness isn't always validated by a check at the end. For Big Brother 27, Ashley may have taken home the official prize, but many believe the true winner is the one who played with grit, intelligence, and heart, and that is a victory no jury vote can ever take away. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.